Hi, my name is Zandile and today I'll be introducing you to the sorghum agenda with a sorghum salad that's just delicious. So the first step is to soak your sorghum overnight to give you this beautiful grain. And then this will then go into our pot to cook for 60 to 80 minutes. And while our sorghum is busy in the pot, we're just going to get all the other ingredients ready to assemble for later. My gran would get grains of sorghum and then put them on a stone and take another rock and just mold them to get into this fine little textured, I wouldn't say flour, but almost like a crushed grain, and then just ferment them and make that porridge. So here comes the fun part. We're going to put the salad together. We've cooked and strained our grain. So you want to dress up the grain and not necessarily dress up the salad. And just like that, look at that. For your plate, for your table, it's a brilliant salad. You can have this on its own, as a side, with your favorite protein. It's just, wait till you taste it. It's so yummy. I'm happy. You'll be happy. Happy eating.